today, and some as high as 59%. It's Friday, March 15th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage, and wearing of the green to celebrate the kickoff of St. Patrick's Day weekend. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Showings are up week over week. New contracts in the Baltimore and Washington metro areas are both up, but fell in southern Maryland and on the Maryland Eastern Shore. Let's look at the year-to-date sales prices in Maryland. Year-to-date, Allegheny County rose 10.5%, Anne Arundel County is up 6.7%, Baltimore County soared to 13.3%. Baltimore City went up 8.1%, Calvert County prices are up 7.1%, Carroll County rose 5.6%, Charles County enjoyed a 12.9% rise, Frederick County rose 6.4%, Garrett County swelled to 59.1%, Harford County is up 8.8%, Prince George's County prices are up 6.3% year-to-date, Montgomery County prices are up 2.5%, St. Mary's County rose 7.6%, Washington County is up 13.8%. Rentals available fell to $2,176 and still holding steady at $2,300 average per month. If you haven't yet heard about the proposed legislation, HB 1515, sales tax on services, that could not only impact the housing market in a negative way, but create a burden on lots of small and micro businesses statewide, be sure to watch my video link somewhere here and contact your legislator to urge a vote of no. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute of Friday, March 15th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.